Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss a 7 revision of chapter Similar Triangles class 10. If you didn't watch my previous videos of a 7 revision, please check the description as well as comments box. First question is, we have a triangle ABC in which DE and BC are parallel to each other. Then AD is given as 2 units and DB is given as 4 units. AE is given as 5 units and EC is given as X. So we need to find out that X value. According to the basic proportionality theorem, AD by DB equals to AE by EC. If anyone feels uncomfortable with that terminology, AD by DB equals to AE by EC, then you can remember just like this: upper one by lower one equals to upper one by lower one. So upper one units are given as 2 units divided by lower one is 4 is equals to, here left side I started from the upper one, right? So right side also we need to start from the upper one only first. 5 divided by lower one, X. Upper one by lower one equals to upper one by lower one. Now we got that equation as 2 by 4 equals to 5 by X. Do cross multiplication. 2 into X, 2X equals to 5 into 4, 20. 2X is equals to 20. Take 2 to the right side. So X equals to 20 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 tens are. X equals to 10 units. Coming to the second question. Are rectangles always similar? If we have any two rectangles, shall we say that those two rectangles are always similar to each other or not? So let us take the I took two rectangles now. One rectangle is 4 centimeter length and 3 centimeter breadth. And coming to the second rectangle, 5 centimeter length and 1 centimeter breadth. Now we need to conclude whether these two rectangles are similar or not. If you are checking the similarity of any figure except triangle, two conditions you need to check compulsory. Condition number 1, in both the figures corresponding angles should be equal. Second point is, in both the figures corresponding sides ratio should be same. If both the conditions are satisfying, then only that given figures are similar to each other, otherwise not similar. But whereas coming to the triangle part, in triangles, out of these two conditions, any one is enough. But except triangle, for any other figure, both should be compulsory. Okay, now let us check both the conditions for these figures. First one is corresponding angles should be equal. This is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees. This is 90, this is 90. This is 90, this is 90, this is 90, this is 90. Because we know the basic concept, that is in rectangle all the angles are 90 degrees. So in these two figures, all the corresponding angles are equal. It is satisfying the first condition. Coming to the second condition. What is second condition? Corresponding sides ratio should be equal. Left side by left side. 3 by 1 should be definitely equal to base by base. That should be definitely equal to right side by right side. Should be definitely equal to top by top. Here we can say clearly that 3 by 1 is not at all equals to 4 by 5. That is not at all equal to 3 by 1. That is not at all equal to 4 by 5. So here it is not at all satisfying the second condition, that is corresponding sides ratio should be same. But in this case corresponding sides ratio is not same. So we can say that rectangles are not similar to each other. Coming to the question number 3. Here one triangle is given PQR, and he gave one line AB also. And he gives some measurements and he is asking is AB parallel to QR? So this is AB line and this is given as QR line. In the first question, in the question itself, he gave those two are parallel line. But in this case, he is asking us to clarify whether it is parallel or not parallel. So let us do a small calculation and let us do it. What we need to do is upper one, that is PB divided by lower one BR. If it is equal to left side upper part PA divided by left side lower part AQ. Upper one by lower one equals to upper one by lower one. If it is satisfying, then we can say that AB line and QR line both are parallel to each other. So let us substitute the given numbers first of all. PB is given as 4 units divided by BR is given as 6 units. And PA is given as 5 units and AQ is not given. But he gave this total as 12.5, right? From 12.5, if we subtract 5, we will get the remaining one definitely. So 12.5 minus 5 is 7.5. So AQ is 7.5. Now this 4 by 6 value and 5 by 7.5 value, if both are same, means then only we can able to say that these two are equal to each other. Then those are parallel lines. So let us check once. 2 2s are 2 3s are 5 1s are 5 1.5s are. So we will get it as 2 by 3 and 1 by 1.5. 2 by 3 I don't have any problem, so I am writing it as it is. 1 by 1.5 what I will do is 1 by, here 1.5, that decimal I am removing and I am writing 15. Here after the decimal we have 1 digit, so keep that 0 to the numerator. Left side part 2 by 3 as it is. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 2 by 3. So now I can conclude that 2 by 3 is equals to 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 equals to 2 by 3. Then we can say that P by BR equals to PA by AQ. So now I can conclude that this AB line and QR line are parallel to each other. Corresponding sides ratio is same. Next. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So let me draw two triangles. These are rough. One is for ABC and one is for DEF. A, B, C. Whenever in the question or else in the answer, if we get this similar symbol, means we need to be very, very careful while writing the order. So observe here, A, I am starting from here and I went like this, A, B, C, right? So this D also I need to start here only and I need to go like this only again. E, F. So ABC triangle as well as DEF triangle both are similar to each other. And he said that their areas be 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. This one is given as 64 centimeter square and this one is given as 121 centimeter square. If EF is 15.4, this is 15.4. Then BC is asking. So BC I don't know, so I am keeping. What is the relation between areas and sides? So let us check that. Area of the first triangle divided by area of the second triangle is equals to first triangle side square by second triangle side square. (64) divided by 121 equals to BC square by 15.4 square can be written as BC by 15.4 whole square. Here left side 64 can be written as 8 square by 121 can be written as 11 square, which is equals to BC by 15.4 whole square. 8 square by 11 square can be written as 8 by 11 whole square, which is equals to BC by 15.4 whole square. Left side whole square, right side whole square, if we remove it, we will remains with 8 by 11 equals to BC by 15.4. Doing the cross multiplication, 8 into 15.4 equals to BC into 11. Take 11 to the left side. 8 into 15.4 divided by 11 equals to BC. 11 ones are 11, 11, 1.4 is 154. So now BC value is 8 into 1.4. 8 4 32, 3, 8 1 11. 11.2 centimeters is the value of BC. Next, in a triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. We have a triangle ABC. For this BC, one parallel line, that is DE. DE and BC are parallel to each other. Next, if AD equals to x, so this AD is given as x and DB is given as x minus 2, AE is given as x plus 2 and EC is given as x minus 1. Then he is asking us to find the x value. So according to basic proportionality theorem, if DE and BC are parallel to each other, then we can write it AD by DB equals to AE by EC. Otherwise upper 1 by lower 1 equals to upper 1 by lower 1. So AD divided by DB equals to AE by EC. Let us substitute the measurements then. AD is x by DB is x minus 2. X by x minus 2 equals to x plus 2 by x minus 1. Doing cross multiplication, x into x minus 1 equals to x minus 2 into x plus 2. This one. Outer one into first one, x into x, x square, minus outer one into second x into 1, x equals to first one into first one, x into x, x square, first one into second one plus 2x, minus 2 into x minus 2x, minus 2 into plus 2 minus 4. Plus 2x minus 2x cancel, left side x square, right side x square cancel. So we remains with minus x is equals to minus 4, minus minus also cancel. Then the final answer is x equals to 4.